do we go? Wow, look how big this place is. It's pretty neat.
Look, there's someone straight ahead. She must be the smell expert. We're meeting a scientist named Paula Hogg.
Hi, guys. I've been expecting you. Dr. D said you would be on your way.
Hi, I'm Bianca. This is Matthew and Jacob.
I'm Paula. How can I help you?
We want to get our faces on KSNN.
What he means is he wants to help KSNN find the source of the smell.
Oh, well, I can show you where the source of the odor starts here. But first, you're going to need some of these.
Do you use a scientific method here?
Yes, we do. The first step is to find and observe the problem. This is where the wastewater comes into the plant from our homes. The wastewater contains odorous substances like hydrogen sulfide and ammonia. Hydrogen sulfide is sometimes called the rotten egg gas. Some of these substances are formed in the sewer when bacteria break down organic material in the wastewater.
Man, this is definitely where the smell is coming from.
Yes, and you're using your sense of smell to observe the problem. The next step is to collect data.
Hey, neat. What is that?
It's a hydrogen sulfide meter.
What does it show us?
With this, we can measure exactly how much hydrogen sulfide gas is in the air. And next, we need to come up with a hypothesis. Do you know what a hypothesis is?
I do. It's a guess.
Well, it's an educated guess. It's when we use our facts, observations, and data to come up with a possible answer to the problem.
Is this where you get rid of the odor?
Yes, it is. We know that the odor is mainly caused by the release of hydrogen sulfide gas, which can be controlled by chemical processes such as these.
What's that?
These are scrubbers. Look through the window and observe the odor removal process. These wet scrubbers change the gas and turn it into liquid, which removes the odor. And we use all of our data and observation to make sure this system works.
How do you know if your hypothesis is working?
We test our hypothesis every day at the treatment plant.
We use our noses again?
Yes, our sense of smell can tell us if the odor is being controlled. But we also use a meter. Plant operators check the sulfide levels going into and coming out of the scrubbing system at least a dozen times a day. Based on this, we can make adjustments to the odor control process.
The smell is much better. Does this remove all the odor?
Well, under the right conditions, almost all of the odor can be taken away.
This place. Something sure is happening here.
It looks like my bubble bath. That's after I've been playing all day.
This is the aeration basin. Look closely. A lot of change is happening here. Bacteria are working to remove odor and other pollutants.
After all this, I'm sure the water must be really clean. And the odor has to be gone.
Well, that's the goal. But if there's still an odor, we can go back to the scientific method to solve our problem.
The scientific method. But how do you know the odor is gone for good?
Well, at the end of the treatment process, we test to make sure that the odor and other pollutants are gone.
This place is really cool. Wow, it looks so clean.
Wow!
Well, have you learned enough about the scientific method to help you with your smell problem?
Yes, I think we all should think about a hypothesis.
Yes, a hypothesis and variables.
Hi, Dr. D.
Oh, it's the investigative smell team. How you doing?
We visited the smell experts at the wastewater treatment plant.
Yeah, and a scientist named Paula Hogg showed us how she uses scientific method on her job to track stink at the plant.
So tell me, did you learn any more about science? Yes?
We learned it's why scientists ask so many questions. It's because they're curious.
Why don't you try one of these information sheets? I always use them to keep me straight when I'm researching problems.
Identifies a variety of potential sources of information.
We're doing that.
Identifies inaccurate and misleading information. Selects information appropriate to the problem or question at hand. This looks like it'll be helpful.